Hello, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. So, friends, I have a big update on the fourth stimulus package. The first $500 relief checks have just been sent out today to eligible Americans. And President Biden has also announced a new executive order that will affect hundreds of thousands of Americans. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. And in a video later today, friends, I'll be announcing the winner of today's giveaway. So please listen for the keywords and do stay tuned for that video.
For families all across America, the long holiday weekend also kicked off the excitement of summer traditions. But unfortunately, a year and a half into the failed policies of this all-Democratic government, even modest family celebrations came with price tags that were literally sky high. Today, the average price of gas in America reached a new record high. There's now just one state in our whole country where average prices haven't passed $4.30. From trips across town to visits with relatives, driving is becoming an even more painful proposition for working families. In Boyd County, one Kentuckian said it now costs him about $73 to fill up the tank. Quote, "I just hope those prices."
Here is some amazing news. Approximately 300,000 low-income essential workers in the state of Massachusetts will receive a relief check of $500 from the Baker administration. These checks will be mailed to all eligible residents of Massachusetts starting today as part of the state's Crisis Essential Employee Premium Pay Program. The Essential Employee Premium Pay Program was passed by the Massachusetts legislature and signed by Governor Charlie Baker in December of 2021. It was part of a $4 billion spending plan from the American Rescue Plan Act funds. House Speaker Ron Mariano said on a Twitter post, "The legislature was proud to establish this program through our American Rescue Plan Act. The essential workers who work to keep the Commonwealth running during the height of the crisis deserves nothing less." Friends, in order to be eligible to receive these payments, individuals must have lived in the state of Massachusetts on or before June 15, 2021, or must have been a part-time resident between June 1st, 2021 and June 15, 2021. Eligibility will be based on filed 2021 Massachusetts tax returns, with individuals needing to have earned at least $13,500, with their total income falling below 300% of the federal poverty level. According to the Massachusetts state website, the lower bound of this range equates to working 20 hours a week for 50 weeks at a minimum wage as of 2021. The federal poverty level is set by the federal government and increases with household or family size. A single filer can have an income of no more than $38,640, while the number goes up to $52,260 for a family of two, or $65,880 for a three-person household. Individuals who were part of the initial group who received one of the first round of $500 checks that was distributed in March of 2022 will not be eligible for the second round. So for those who received unemployment benefits in 2021, you will also not be eligible for the second round of payments, nor will Commonwealth Executive Branch employees who received or will receive a one-time crisis-related payment from the state as their employer. So friends, here is another big news. President Biden authorized the Defense Production Act to spur U.S. manufacturing of solar and several other forms of clean energy. The White House announced today that President Biden authorized the Energy Department to use the Defense Production Act. It is to speed up domestic manufacturing of solar panel components, energy-efficient heat pumps, building insulation, and electric transformers needed for the power grid. The White House also announced it will leverage the power of the federal government's purse for clean energy, using federal procurement to increase U.S. solar manufacturing. Friends, the key word for this video is daffodil. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then enter this keyword, which is daffodil, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. The White House also announced a 2-year suspension of anti-circumvention tariffs on solar panels that have effectively ground much of the U.S. solar industry to a halt after intense lobbying from much of the U.S. solar industry. U.S. solar installers and trade associations said the threat of these tariffs had a chilling impact on the industry after the Commerce Department launched a tariff probe in March. Because of the steep retroactive tariffs, hundreds of utility-scale solar projects in the U.S. have been delayed or canceled, and solar industry workers were laid off as a result. While a senior administration official stressed that the White House is not interfering with Commerce's quasi-judicial process, they also defended the new 2-year pause on tariffs. An official told reporters today, "That is a process for which we are reinforcing the integrity. It will continue to run its course, and it will continue to be advanced by the Department of Commerce in a manner that is consistent with the regulations and internal processes." In a statement, a few senators called on Biden's announcement a positive step that will save American solar jobs. They all stated the risk of additional tariffs on imported solar panels would have been devastating for American solar projects, the hundreds of thousands of jobs they support, and our nation's clean energy and climate goals. So friends, should the Biden administration be concerned about clean energy or more about inflation? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for watching my videos daily and joining me here. I appreciate all of you. Remember, friends, I will be announcing the winner of today's giveaway in a video later today. So please stay tuned for that video. And do remember to enter the keywords from any video that you watch. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday evening.